Here's a close-up look at the quality you can expect from this milk frother from Froth N Go. This is quite a step up from your average hand frother. First of all, has 3 attachments to it, single, double. This is what I typically use to get a little thicker frothing. And then I use this with protein shakes. I think you can probably use it with matcha and other things that are going to be a little thicker. You need some extra heft for. This you can easily travel with. This is like over a toothbrush that you would just kind of put everything together with that. You can put your attachments in there, right in there, toss that in your bag. Comes with a charging cable. And even if you wanted to give it as a gift, it kind of has a really stepped up appearance as to how you even get it out of the box. I did save the box on this because I thought, well, it has a lifetime warranty if I need to send it back. But I'm not anticipating that's going to happen. I use this every day. There's been no change in quality. I've probably used it about a couple months now, and I'm enjoying the power of it every day. It just rinses off super easily, and just wipes down if you ever get anything on it too. Little charging block there, and you know, I charge it for about an hour, and honestly, I think I let it go for about a month once, and the charge held. So you do not need to worry about charging this very frequently. I've been really pleased with this, and I would recommend.